In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with app Base44.com. Let's get started at the Base44 homepage. Open your browser and head to app.base44.com. Once the site loads, you'll land on your workspace. This is your central hub for building and managing projects, and it's where we'll begin the process of exporting a project as a zip file. From here, click on Apps in the main navigation. This takes you to a list of the applications available in your current workspace. If you work across multiple spaces, make sure you're viewing the one where your project lives so you can quickly find what you need. Next, locate the project you want to download and click it to open its overview. You'll see a project card or tile for each app. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have similar project names. In the project's top right corner, look for the three-dot menu. This is the options menu for your project. Click the three dots to reveal additional actions. Choose Export Project as zip. This option bundles your project into a single archive you can store, share with collaborators, or use as a backup. It's a convenient way to move your project outside of the platform while preserving its current structure. If you see an upgrade required message at this point, that's expected. Exporting as a zip is only available on upgraded plans. You can review the available paid plans and choose the one that fits your team's needs and budget. If your account is part of a larger organization, make sure the right workspace and billing owner are selected before upgrading so the change applies where you intend it to. Once your plan is upgraded and active, return to your project. Open the three-dot menu again in the upper right. Click Export Project as zip one more time. The system will start preparing your archive. Depending on project size and assets, this may take a moment. Keep your browser tab open and avoid refreshing while the export is building to prevent any interruptions. When the export is ready, select Download Zip. Your browser will begin downloading the archive to your default downloads folder, or it will prompt you to choose a location. Save it somewhere easy to find, like a dedicated project backups folder. After the download completes, you can verify the contents by opening the zip and checking for your expected files and folders. Keep this archive in a secure place. Consider versioning your backups with dates and avoid sharing it publicly if it contains any